What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So one of the homies from high school for the past probably like 2 or 3 years has asked me for a ride in the Z for his birthday. Today is his birthday, and he asked me a couple days ago. And long story short is the past couple of years that he's asked me, something has been going on with the car. I think last year I was still breaking in the motor, and the year before that something was probably wrong with it. Long story short, I've liked on this dude for years, and when he asked me this year, I was like, bro, I gotta give it to him. So I thought, why not give him the ride and also bring you guys along with us so you guys can see his reaction. He's also not really a car guy, so I'm kind of interested to see how he reacts. And I don't even think he's been in fast cars either. So the homie Santi, you ready or what?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Happy birthday, bro.
Thanks,
I'm gonna take you on a quick little ride in the Z. Hopefully you like it. Hey, what's the fastest car you've been in before this?
Never been a fast car.
Cause you've been in mine, but it wasn't boosted yet. So the last time he was in my car, if I remember correctly, it was just a bolt-on tune on 91. So he's in for a treat for sure. So you're geeky now.
How do you put? Oh shit, dude, this is crazy. Holy fucking shit, dude.
You're in a race car, bro.
Yeah, no kidding. This is definitely the race car, bro. That means I gotta strap in correctly.
Let's see. I'll help you a little bit. So on the other side is gonna be another one on your right side. That one, okay.
All right.
So you're gonna.
Holy shit. Okay.
You're gonna. Let me see. Put that like towards the middle of you. This one.
This right here.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. And there, and then that one, and the one right next to it.
Oh, this is crazy as hell.
That should be good enough. You don't really need these.
All right, let's do it.
Ready or what? Let's do it. Before we do any pulls, I am gonna go pump some gas. I'm not that empty, but I know I should probably put some gas before I do some pulls. Get out or what?
This is crazy. I'm so down. It's fucking funny. It's fun, bro. Oh, yeah.
You know that was like a quarter throttle, right?
Huh?
That was. I barely even touched the gas.
Barely?
Yeah. I just wanted you to hear the turbo a little bit.
Yeah, I feel you, bro. Hopefully, we're gonna run out of gas, guys. I ain't trying to get stranded to push this thing.
Oh, you're gonna have to push it back home. I ain't paid for no tow truck. You're definitely in for a treat, bro. I'm barely touching the gas. I'm literally just having you hear the turbo sounds. You're geeking out already.
Oh man, I feel it, but it's really fun, dude.
All right, filled up. That's what 15 bucks got me. So my guess is that I was like probably a little bit under half a tank. So it's a good thing that I came to pump. All right, let's feel some boost.
Let's do it. Camera better not fly away.
Yeah, you better hold it tight.
I don't got money for that. Holy shit, oh my gosh. Holy shit, dude. That was fucking intense. Holy shit. That pull was no joke, y'all. That's some crazy stuff. That was fun. We're not done yet.
Yeah, I'll probably give you one more a little longer.
It's all good. That was, I can't even tell you guys, that was so insane. You hear that whistle? He came a long way, that's for sure though.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do one more, guys. I'm gonna give him the full beats on this one.
Oh shit, we're ready for this one.
I'll take one, right?
That was insane. That was crazy as y'all. so crazy stuff.
How do I feel?
That shit was insane, bro. That felt so amazing, though. I felt like a bunch of drones rushed through my body at once.
That's how it feels, bro. Happy birthday.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Means a lot, man. Best gift you can ever give me, bro.
All right, Brody. Hope you enjoyed the ride.
Thanks, dude.
Happy birthday once again.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate my friend Jason. And overall, this is the best birthday I could ever receive. So yeah, if you guys can subscribe my boy's channel and hit him up.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right, bro. Have a good rest of your birthday.
Be safe.
I'll catch you soon. All right, guys. It is now about an hour or so after the last clip you guys just saw. I am now headed to the gym. I'm gonna take the Z to the gym today. I've actually been driving this a lot more lately. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little reaction video. I thought it was pretty funny. My homie was geeking out like the whole time. Even when I would barely go into booths just to hear the turbos pull up, he would geek out. I feel like he thought that was the pull or something. Cause I mean, like I said, he's not really a car guy, so he probably thought like this was already going fast. But yeah, that guy has been asking me for a ride for his birthday for the past like 2 or 3 years. Now that my car was running, I literally had no excuse, so I wanted to take him out for his birthday. Cause why not? But yeah, guys, the car is feeling great. I've actually been, I wouldn't say daily driving it, but I have been driving it a lot more than usual. Ever since I got this thing back up and running, and since the Q has that little power steering issue, still, I've just been driving this a lot more often. And I'm not complaining, bro. Whenever I drive this car, I automatically have a good day. This thing is literally... I just saw a cop. This thing is literally the funnest thing to drive. Damn, bro, my heart dropped. A cop pulled out behind me. And this city where I'm in, they're known to kind of not like modified cars. I was like, bro, I'm cooked. But thank God you made a left at a light back there. Bro, my freaking heart dropped. That's the only downside of having a modified car in Cali. When you run into a cop, even if you're doing absolutely nothing, you still get like a shitty feeling knowing that that cop could easily just ruin your day. The way I see it, if I was a cop, I wouldn't care if you have a turbo sticking out of your freaking hood. As long as you're not doing anything stupid in front of me, I mean, that's how it should be in my opinion. But some cops just have a power trip sometimes, unfortunately. I freaked out. I was like, bro, what the hell? Why is my RPM gauge like that? But I remember a while back that happened to me, and it was just because I guess the gauge got too hot, like the sun's been hitting it. But yeah, back to the whole ride along thing. I actually do want to take out more people on a ride along in this thing. I plan on taking my parents out again. I don't think my mom has been in this car since I boosted it. I'm pretty sure she hasn't. My dad has, but it was stock motor. Besides that, I do kind of want to like take out some supporters out on a ride along. Once that time comes, I'll definitely post like on my Instagram. And if you guys are in the area and are down to be in the video, have a little ride along in the Z, I mean, you can just hit me up there. I feel like it'll be a cool little video. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. I'm sorry if it was more of a shorter video. It was kind of a random video, I guess you could say, but nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can know whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.